Good morning, students. So, shall we start the class? Okay. You have to join with a app only, okay? So that your attendance will get recognized. Otherwise, it will show absent. Okay. Now, already we have studied many methods in solving the linear equations in, right? Can you hear? Okay. We have seen different methods. What are those methods? Yes, what are those methods? Graphical method. Then, have you seen or not? Yes, in previous videos we have seen different methods of solving linear equations in two variables. First is graphical method, which is a geometrical one, and then after that we have started with algebraic methods. And in algebraic methods we are having three methods, in which first already we have studied. What is that? Yes, what is that? Yes, it is elimination method, and the next one is substitution method. Right? First we have seen substitution method, and then in last video it is a elimination method, and now the last one, that is cross multiplication method. Now whatever we have studied in last video, that is what elimination method, with that only we are going to see this method. Okay. So here one example, they have given the cost of 5 orange and 3 apples is rupees 35. It is visible now? Yes, board is visible. Okay, so the cost of 5 orange and 3 apple is rupees 35, and the cost of 2 orange and 4 apples is rupees 20. So with this given data, we have to form a algebraic equation. So let us like, what are those? Can anybody tell me what are the expressions? Yes, what we have to consider? Yes, first we have to consider cost of orange as x and cost of apple as y. Now when you consider two variables, we can create a algebraic expression. 5 orange means 5x plus 3y is equal to 35, and second equation will be 4x means 2x plus 4y is equal to 20. Consider these two equations as first and second. Now we will see steps also with this example. So in this method, that is cross multiplication method, first step is multiply equation 1, this first equation, by b1. We know the standard form of linear equation. What it is? When we are considering two equations, it is, yes, it is a1x, b1y, c1. Yes, and second equation, yes, it is a2x, b2y and c2. So here we have said that we have to multiply first equation with b1, and here b1 is what? 3. So write down step 1, that is multiply equation 1 by what? What we have to multiply? Equation 1 by, yes, b1 or b2. See, we have to make one variable should be eliminated, so we have to take a cross multiplication. So whatever I have written the step, it is correct because already we have studied the elimination method. So what we have to do? We have to take here as b2. It's a small mistake, we have to correct it. Okay. So multiply equation 1 by b2, that is what? 4, and equation 2 by B1. B1 is here 3. So when you take a multiplication, these two equations will get changed. What are those? 5 into 4. So it is 20x. 4 into 3, 12y. This is equal to 35. We have to take it in a standard form. So take on this side what it will be, 35 into 4. 4 5 are 20 to carry, 4 3 are 12 and 2 14. So 140 is equal to 0 I will take. See, in standard form we are taking all values on one side, right? So this is your third equation. Now take next one. Multiply second equation with what? 3. So 3 to the 6x plus 4 3 the 12y minus. See here, one more. We will write as it is because we want to use those values here. We will write 4 into 5x because we want to use them for as these examples. So better to write split in split form. So 3 into 4 into 3 by minus 35 into 4. And the second one is 3 into 2x plus 3 into 4y minus last one is what? 28 into 3. Okay. Now these are the two equations. As a first step, but if you want to convert first equation also in the standard form, you can. Otherwise, you have to follow that in second step. So in first equation, what we have taken, we have to multiply it with what? B2. So when we have taken a multiplication, we have taken as it is. We have not multiplied the values because we want to use in terms of third step. In third step, what we have taken, x is equal to, one equation is there. What is that? X is equal to B1 C2 minus B2 C1, and to use this, in this step we have to write in this format only. Now, after this we have to use a elimination method. And for elimination method we are using either addition or subtraction. So here what we can use? Yes, what we can use? Addition or subtraction? See here, 4 3 what? 12, right? And 3 4 are also 12, but both are having positive sign, and if we add it will get added. It will not eliminate. Yes? What we have to do? We have to do a subtraction. So write subtracting which equation from which? Yes, which equation from which equation we can subtract? Yes, it is visible now. Okay, which equation we have to subtract from which? Third from 4 or 4 from third? Equation 4 from third. Up to this you want to write or shall we continue? Because I want to know, you can't see the whole board here. Yes, up to here you understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So shall I clean that?
Yes.
Yes, only one student is speaking. What about others? Okay. Now we will see the subtraction here. Okay. After subtraction, automatically what happens? Y will get eliminated and we will remain with x value in this format. So we will write directly x is equal to P1 into C2. In our equation, here we will write in small format what are the equations we are having. A1 is what? 5. B1 is 3. C1 is what? C1 is only 35. When you take it in a standard form, it is minus 35. Okay. And A2 is 2, B2 is 4 and C2 is minus 28. Now these values we have to use here as B1 is there. Means what we have to take? 3 into C2. C2 means minus 28. Okay. Then addition or subtraction? Subtraction, as here it is given, minus B2. B2 is what? 4 and C1. What is C1? Minus 35. Divide by A1. A1 is 5. B2 3 minus A2 is 2 and B1 is, what is B1? It is 3. So here we have to write 4. Is it correct? Okay. Just make it correct because first we have written here B1. First here we have to write A1 into B2 and A1 is 5, B2 is 4 minus again A2 into B1. A2 is 2 as we have written here. Now solve it. Can you solve it? Yes, 28 is a, yes, and 35 for the here minus minus will get plus. Now 35 for the, yes, 5 for the 20 and 20 to the 6. Make a subtraction, what you will get? Yes, 148 minus 84. 64 it is, right? Divide by 14. So what will be the answer? Yes, 14 for the 60. Now, with this method we have to find the value of y using this. But if you are following the elimination method, what we will going to do? We will put the value of x in any one of the equations which are already present in what? Given equation, that is whatever we are forming a algebraic equation as equation 1 and 2. But here as we are following this method, we have to find the value of y with this. So how we can do that? Same, we have to put all the values. It is clear? Yes, it is clear? Okay, so shall we find the value of y? Yes? Okay. Now here value of x what we got is what? 4. Now let us see what is the value of y here. For y we have to take C1 into A2 and C1 is what? Minus 35. A2 is 2 minus C2 is minus 28 and A1 how much it is? 5. Divide it with A1 into B2. A1 is how much? 5. B2 4 minus A2 is 2 and B1 is, what is B1? 3. Take a multiplication, 35 to the, yes. Here it is minus and the one value of this is also in minus. So minus minus will get plus 28 5 the, yes, it is 140. Again it is 20 minus 6 because denominator of both the equations are same. So if you find once for this, you will get for the second also. So here 140 minus 70 directly you know it is 70 because 7 to the 14 and 72 is also 140. Here remains with 14. Can we cancel it? Yes. So value of y is 5. So this is what? This is a unique solution, or we are going to have a multiple solution for this linear equation. Yes, it is a unique solution, or we are having infinitely many solutions. It is a unique solution. So this is the method, and also the steps are there. The steps are quite larger. I have written it short only. I'll send you a PDF with the explained way, so you can write that. Have you writing the notes? Yes. I have started with the linear equations in two variables this chapter. Previously, I think you have completed two lessons, right? Yes. Okay. So whatever we have completed, you have to write the homework for that. All exercises you have to solve. If any problems or doubts are there, you can ask. There is an option in your app also. You can ask from there. And if you need extra notes, you have to mention there, okay? Because already whatever videos I have sent, it is with notes only, so you can write that in a fair book, right? Okay, so complete the books. While school will reopen, we will check all the things, so you should be updated, and whatever you have to written, you have to write it in a proper way, okay? And I will send activity questions and assignments also, and you have to solve that also for each lesson. And still we have not completed one lesson, so maybe up to end we will give that, okay? Okay. So with this, can you solve other examples? Yes. See, whatever examples we are having in this chapter, whatever they are in, it may be in a geometrical method, it may be in substitution method, it may be in elimination method, or in this method. All examples can be solved by other method also. There is no example such that you can't solve it by another method. But sometimes it is easy to find with some method, so we are using different method. Whenever they are going to ask to find the answer for the example with particular method, you have to follow that method only. Otherwise, if with this, see, you find just answers with using any method, you can use any of that method, okay? And whatever graphical questions are there in geometrical method, you have to solve that exercise in graph book, okay? Yes? Okay, use the graph book for graphical method, because you will need to draw a graph, and while plotting the graph at the corner you have to mention the unit, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, okay? Okay, with this try to follow the solve the exercise next to this. If any doubts are there, you can ask. We will solve one more problem in the next class, okay? With a simple method, this is one method. As method is given, we have followed that equation. We will write this equation with very easy way. We will see in the next class, okay? If any doubts, you can ask. Still 5 minutes are there. Yes, is anybody is having doubt? It is clear? Okay. In previous methods, do you have any doubts? No, na? Okay. Solve all the exercise. We need to check it, and on the basis of your book, we are going to give a marks also. Okay. And this time it is very strict, because due to pandemic, previously they may have cancelled the exam, but this time they will going to conduct it very properly. So don't think that this time also they will get cancelled. Okay. Okay. If no doubts are there, you can disconnect the meeting, okay? And if next class is there, you can join that. Okay, thank you.